everyone, welcome back to Libby's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and today your craft host fam is coming to you with a quick little flip through of the Mambi kit. It's a scrapbook kit made by me and my big ideas, and this particular one I picked up from Hobby Lobby. It was when they had their scrapbooking papers, packs, pads, and individual sheets on sale for 50% off. So while it is normally priced at $9.99, I got it for around $5, which I really should have gotten more. I just wasn't as familiar with the quality of their paper kits or their scrapbook kits enough to splurge, because that's in fact what it is anytime I'm buying craft supplies. So anyways, this particular one is Memories, and I got this one because I had started collecting some different scrapbook embellishments and papers and packs and stuff like that to do layouts for my son Joshua's book, as well as some for our late daughter's album, which I have still yet to, really dive into, but that's soon to come. And in the meantime, one of the things I said that I wanted to do was at least twice a month do a page for our family's album. So, whether it's for the a couples page that is highlighting date night for me and my husband, or just an outing between, for he and I, or just a family photo, whether, some type of candid photo or something like that. But I wanted something that had a little bit of sparkle to it, but wasn't too feminine. And so that's why I wanted to get this one. That's why I picked up this one, because it has the gold, it has black and white. There's some, a little bit of pink and some romantic feel to it, but it still has some masculine and neutral, different elements like wood grain and things like that. So I figured that would be good to use throughout our family albums. So I'm only popping on today to show you what's inside this for you beginner scrapbookers. I myself am a beginner scrapbooker because I don't have many hours under my belt in that area of crafting. I have done so sporadically over the years, not really devoting much of my craft supply to it. So I'm a beginner myself. So for us beginners, this is what came in the Mambi kit. All right, so 12 by 12 paper scrapbook kit. And on the back it says it comes with, let's see, 12 by 12 sheets, 90 stickers, 8 soft spoken pieces, and 18 chipboard. So right off the bat, let's just take a look here. I'm going to start with the top sheet, which is I want to say that's the soft spoken pieces. Let's see. Well, they sure make it. They keep that secure in that packaging. That's for sure. 8 soft-spoken pieces. I'm not really quite sure what are soft-spoken pieces. I think it's these, the ones that are popped up on foam tape or doubles. I don't know. You might want to Google that or check and see, and but let's see, 1, 2. Yeah, I don't know what the 8 soft-spoken pieces. Maybe we'll find out throughout here. Okay, so just getting the extra packaging out of the way. So let's take a look at the stickers we do have. So it looks like, as you can see, these make for really good, different little elements for your layouts. Life is good. Enjoy the little things, precious. And I like that they're in different directions. So like precious can go on the side of a photo. Life is good. So you got a little bit of gold foiling, some glitter, and black, white, and pastels. And they're not too, you can make it work for feminine or family. Feminine or family, how about that? Okay, and so here are the sheets that it come with. And then here are the multitude of stickers. This says 90 stickers, so I would have to assume they know what they're talking about. So you've got page flags, banners, little journaling spots here, stars. You know, again, you've got wood grain. You've got things in different directions, dates. It's definitely makes it very easy for you to do a layout and to get experienced. And if you are part of one of the scrapbooking communities on Facebook, and one of the ones that like Mercy Tiara's Facebook page or Facebook group, her 27-day challenge, they typically will include a PDF of ideal for the layout for the month. And with those different options, you have the ability to kind of take that design inspiration and create a layout using whatever elements you have on hand. And then there's My Creative Life here on YouTube. She has her own Facebook group. So if you are looking for a place to start, my channel is not the channel to start diving into scrapbooking, but those two places are great places to start. Both of those ladies have wonderful ideas, and their communities are very strong in scrapbooking, and they're very helpful. I myself am a part of both of their Facebook groups, and so depending on the craft medium that I use or that I'm working with will determine there's no one particular craft Facebook group that encompasses all of the different mediums. You may have mixed media, you have watercoloring, you have sewing, and you have scrapbooking, you have journaling, you have planners. And because I do a little bit of everything, there's a few groups that I do belong to. So if you need some guidance, or you'd like to find out any of those groups that I belong to, drop a comment below. I'll be happy to share. I'll be happy to drop a link for you upon your request, so feel free to ask. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you something to work with if you are a beginner scrapbooker, or even if you are experienced and you hadn't gotten a chance to take a look through this Mambi's scrapbooking kit. So thanks for watching. Until we are back here again together here on YouTube, stay blessed, stay encouraged, and stay creative and crafty. Bye for now.